Hey there, fellow drivers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Dashcam Cloud. Today, we've got something really eye-opening to share with you. We've all been there navigating through highways and city roads, and sometimes, things don't go as smoothly as we'd like. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of lane changes and the misjudgments that can occur. And guess what? We've got it all caught on Dashcam. It's not just about witnessing those heart-stopping moments, it's about learning from them to become better, safer drivers. Stick around as we analyze these real-life situations, discuss what went wrong, and explore how we can avoid similar misjudgments on the road. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Alright, let's get started with misjudgment while changing lanes on highway and city roads. Buckle up, it's going to be an insightful ride. Let's start as we've got an eye-opening topic that's sure to make you think twice about your next lane change misjudgments caught on Dashcam. Buckle up for some real-life lessons from the road. Our first clip sets the tone. A seemingly routine lane change to cross an intersection turns into a surprising collision. Let's break down the details and see what we can learn from this unexpected encounter. Hold onto your seats for this one. A blue sedan making a rapid lane change crashes into a stationary van. It's a stark reminder of the consequences when speed and lane changes don't mix. Let's walk the reasons behind this incident. In our next clip, a driver overtakes but fails to change lanes, resulting in a collision with an oncoming vehicle. It's a classic example of how a simple misjudgment can lead to a major mishap. Near misses can be just as heart-pounding. Watch as a sedan narrowly escapes a collision with a mini-car changing lanes, only to face a furious driver. Let's explore the emotional aftermath and learn strategies for staying calm on the road. Wet roads can turn a routine lane change into a slippery situation. In this clip, a driver attempts a quick lane change on a wet highway to avoid debris, but it ends in a collision with a truck. What can we learn about adapting our driving to different road conditions? And for our next scenario, a black sedan abruptly changes lanes, resulting in a scratch. Sometimes, even seemingly minor misjudgments can lead to unexpected consequences. Let's delve into the details of this close call. Our next scenario is both shocking and cautionary. A vehicle attempting a lane change ends up overturning. How did this happen, and what lessons can we draw from this unfortunate event? In this clip, we witness the consequences of a careless lane change on the highway. A driver attempts to shift from the first to the third lane, only to be struck from behind. Our next incident highlights the importance of checking blind spots. A driver attempts a lane change without considering the adjacent bus in the lane but wisely returns after realizing the potential danger. What can we learn about situational awareness on the road? Wet conditions can drastically alter the dynamics of a lane change. Here, a speeding car on a rainy day attempts to overtake and change lanes but loses control, colliding with the road divider. How can we adapt our driving in adverse weather conditions? Rainy days demand extra caution. In this clip, a last-minute lane change leads to a collision with the road divider, resulting in the overturning of a white car. Let's walk the dangers of sudden maneuvers in adverse weather. Our penultimate incident showcases the repercussions of a lane change without proper checking. A black SUV changes lanes, colliding with a mini truck that nearly flips 180 degrees. What can we learn about the importance of thorough observations? And in this final clip of this section, in the darkness of the night, a minivan faces an unfortunate collision with the road divider while changing lanes. As we wrap up these incidents section, it's clear that misjudgments during lane changes can have severe consequences. These clips are just a glimpse of the real-world challenges we face while changing lanes. Remember to stay tuned for the full breakdown of each incident, and if you find this content valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, Drive safe out there.